They were inside waiting for their groceries to be delivered at their front door when this delivery driver finally arrived. When he realized there was a long pathway with many steps leading up to the front of the house, he decided it would be easier to just unpack everything at the bottom of the steps, thinking everything would be okay. A few minutes after he unloaded the groceries and left, seagulls ended up flying in and they ate all the food that was just delivered. You can just see the look of disappointment as the owner of the house goes to collect his food.